3. Hey guys, Jasuris here, and it's been a while since I did question and answer session on registering a company, starting a business in China. And since then I've received a lot of other questions, so today I'd like to answer them one by one. Usual question people keep asking is, can foreigners start a company in China? And in 2019, yes, the answer is yes, it's still possible. You can start a business in China as a foreigner, and you can entirely own the business 100% under your name, being a foreign citizen. You don't have to have a Chinese visa to start a company in China. Basically, a copy of your passport, depending on your location at the time of application. You might need a certified copy of your passport, or if you are inside China, you might not need a certified copy of your passport. So basically, the copy of your passport will be enough. And in terms of documents, you don't have to hold a certain type of visa to start a company in China. That's really simple in 2019, and it's true in almost all the cities and regions of China. Of course, there are some regions like free economic zones, etc., etc., and they do have their own policies, but generally speaking, the process of application to register a company is same everywhere in China. So if you need any help with this, you can always contact us. You can scan these QR codes to add us on WeChat, and you can send your questions there. We'll try to answer, and you can also send us an email. The last one is our telephone number. You can add this phone number and then try to add us on WeChat and WhatsApp, or also on Telegram. And if you have any questions, you can send. So basically the answer is yes. Once again, you can register a company in China being a foreign citizen. Thank you.